I'm getting ready to work on a portrait of a grandson, and it's been a while since I've done anything with oil paints. So I wanted to do a master study of Robert. I've always pronounced it Henri, but I guess it's Henri. It's a portrait that he did of a child, but the skin tones are similar to what my grandson has. So I'm going to do a study in this sketchbook. What I've done is I've gessoed on both of these pages before I taped it down. And this is just to get the same or similar ratio size for the finished work. But this is in my sketchbook, and this is something I often do. I have a stand over here. I'm going to put the iPad on with the image, and it'll allow me to see it while I'm working here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna draw this out, the basics of it. This is I keep forgetting the name of it. It's a everlasting pencil, eternity pencil, something like that, but you never have to sharpen it. And its marks are really light. And this, I gessoed this page with it's just regular old gesso. It's not anything special. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, and I'll probably fast forward through most of the video just to make it easier to watch. But if anybody has any questions or insights or suggestions, feel free to put them in the comment below.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
I've put rubber gloves on, vinyl gloves. It helps protect me from the chemicals. This is a gambling poppy seed oil.
I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I've got my reference image over here on an iPad where I can see it. I've got my little palette knife, my poppy seed oil, my mineral spirits are right here, and some shop towel.
Way back a year ago. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.